like, oh, you probably smoke crack, nigga. I already know.
Oh shit. Yo, this nigga crazy as fuck.
This is the last of the motherfucking crack is.
Yo, this nigga Wade. Yo, Wade.
Yeah, he said 160. Save, nigga saved a little $10. What do you mean you put a half 70?
Yeah.
I should have told him I had $1. When I said they fired a little deaf dude from the bread company, the nigga out there taking pictures of the cheek booties. I went in on this man so hard, dog. I was reading about it. I thought motherfuckers on there playing though. Motherfuckers talking about checking on your people. It's a man, it's a body man on the highway, people keep running it over. I say they on Facebook on some bullshit tonight, bro. Yeah. That nigga probably committed suicide. That nigga probably committed suicide, dog. Cause about what time was it when they, cause what's it I'm saying? They don't even be that, act like that at nighttime for real, like, you get kind of like just ran over randomly. That nigga has been out there tripping or something. Like Mike threw his ass out the court. He going so far under the jail. He's so fucking stupid. For one, that's he like everything he did, like okay, say for instance, because I'm hearing a different story about what happened. But you know, they come over the way or whatever. But the little dude that got killed from Florida, but his mama got tired of kill out and shit. So I'm over hearing all these different stories. Like I was telling motherfuckers this her. Say for instance, the dude did hop in the car with you trying to rob you or something, okay. You got the right to defend yourself. As long as you're still, your life is in immediate danger. The dude that was driving the car forced an accident. Like he forced the motherfucker to run into the back of him. Cool. You get out the car. Pull your shiesty bands down and then kill dude while he's sitting inside the car. Dude then try to like, when you was getting out the car of the window or whatever, dude then try to shoot you and none of that shit. So that kills your self-defense and your stand your ground shit right there. Because he could have shot you all in your back and all types of shit you trying to get out the car. You turned around here, pulled the man down, then shot the nigga in the car. you want that horse way no more. Then they say, the other dude that was involved in that they hit, they say that nigga jumped out the motherfucking random nail shop, they got the shooting. He just was a nigga that got hit because they was in a car accident. So he got hit, the fuck got hit, but the dude was so scared. I can see he ain't been around that type of life, he ain't fought for that life. Cause you know, I'm in Delwood literally 10 minutes after that shit happened, so cause I had to go around in one of the side streets and come back up, you know what I'm saying? And we stepped over on the lot, being nosy ass niggas. You know, the dude's like, I was looking at him, I said, man, my man, he might come out, that nigga might move to Africa or something. Out of this shit. I'm like, I can look at his face, bro, and tell he ain't never been around no shit like that. Ain't never seen no shit like that. And the nigga daddy made a video and didn't make it no worse. He made it make it no better. And you know that you ain't heard nothing about that nigga being released. That nigga ass is in fucking place, nigga. Probably on a motherfucking $500 fine. But that's why I tell motherfuckers though, bro, like, this little nigga right here that got killed. That's why I tell you all the time, I feel like every motherfucker I know knows little nigga. That's what nigga got killed before right there. The dude still had he had a gun. We still had a gun on him. That's how you know, like, this is what makes you look so stupid, this is what makes you look so guilty. Like, not even so much as this, because a great was we consider a cook. You know what I mean? So, and then, right, but, nigga, you record this shit, you want to make on the fucking shit, man. You got to go up on your shite ass down here, because, nigga, like, well, you ain't go to jail for so long, you ain't never come on. And daddy that's why you know, that's why you see what he done. Because the daddy just as fucking stupid. Daddy got on there and repeated everything, like y'all just gave 2 eyewitness testimony. Right. Because the son probably called and told him. So y'all just gave two witness testimony to help the prosecutor. But some of them had showed a video from earlier when they was like trailing behind each other or some shit. It's more to it than what it is. I think they were taking a dude, whoever was in the car, in the back car, he was talking in the video. So like, that's why I say, one of us don't really know. Only one would know what happened to them niggas. What really happened. Because the first thing you had in your mind after you kill the motherfucker to go live, they just let you know their mindset is fucked up, bro. Like, right. Should have been like, it's gonna be the last time y'all see y'all heard on the street going live. I just committed first-degree murder. I tell niggas, bro, like, even though you ain't gotta have no carry concealed in Missouri and all that shit no more, your ass still need to go take that fucking class, dog. Cause they gonna tell your ass what you can, what to do, what's considered this and that third. my page, that motherfucking dude died like 7 years ago. Still got such and such, missing such and such on her page, man. Look, that man been gone almost 10 years, man. Gone, who the fuck on? Like, because I'm about pretty sure if it was reversed, that nigga would not be killed out here and passed away from your ass. She won't let me hit, but she still come on, I just ain't ready. Now, them motherfuckers have been, they had been together since, man, we was hella young. I think these motherfuckers was like elementary school boyfriend and girlfriend. Like, I can't remember damn one of them ever having no other girlfriend and boyfriend besides each other. And then he died from like some type of immunodeficiency type shit. He just out of nowhere just died. This motherfucker got shot at home, bro.
Man, whoa, on her.
I ain't hear. I ain't said which one they ain't. Nobody tell me my word.